Well, everyone, welcome back to our top careers in commerce and business. This is part 2 of this 3-part series, and today we will talk about business strategy and management careers. Now, have you ever wondered how the world's biggest companies stay competitive? They even cut costs and grow profits year after year. But the secret lies in business strategy and management. And that's exactly where management consultants and business analysts come in. Now, with businesses investing heavily in AI, digital transformation, and efficiency improvements, the demand for business analysts and consultants is skyrocketing. So, if you love problem solving, analyzing data, and making high level business decisions, this career path might be a perfect fit for you. So the first career today that I'm going to talk about in this video will be management consultant and business analyst. Now, these are the architects of business growth. Now, every business from startups to Fortune 500 giants faces challenges, inefficiencies, poor decision making, or outdated processes. This is where management consultants and business analysts step in to help companies optimize, innovate, and scale. Now, this career is in super high demand because companies always need experts to cut costs, improve efficiency, and find competitive advantages. Now, as per Statistica, the business consulting industry is set to grow by 13+% by 2026 because firms are investing heavily in AI, automation, and digital transformation. Major firms like McKinsey, Deloitte, Boston Consulting Group, BCG are expanding rapidly, hiring thousands of business consultants globally. So, in today's business world, data drives everything, from pricing strategies to market expansion plans. Business analysts and consultants bridge the gap between data and smart decision making, which is very important for companies. So if you're wondering what exactly do management consultants and business analysts do, don't worry, I'm here to tell you that as well. Now, their role is all about problem solving, decision making, and optimizing business operations. Now, here are some responsibilities to consider. Now, you must understand these responsibilities if you're interested in this career. First is solving business problems and cutting costs. Consultants identify inefficiencies in operations and develop strategies to fix them. Here's an example for you. A retail company losing money due to high supply chain costs might hire consultants to redesign its logistics model. Now, the second one is using AI and big data to drive decision. This is important. Listen to this carefully. Business analysts collect market research, financial data, and AI-driven insights to help companies predict trends and make smarter decisions. Here is an example for you. A company expanding internationally might use business analysts to study consumer demand, competitive pricing, and local market risk also. The third one is helping startups and Fortune 500 companies grow. Yes. Now, startups use consultants to create business models, optimize funding strategies, and scale operations. Large corporations rely on analysts to increase profitability, improve team efficiency, and also reduce risks. Now, without a strong business strategy and data-driven decision making, even the biggest companies can fail. And that's why top firms invest billions in business consulting and analytics every year. Now, if you're someone who loves solving business challenges, working with data, and optimizing operations, here's how you can get started in management consulting and business analysis. I'm going to give you the complete roadmap. Step 1 is to get the right education. Now, a degree in business administration, finance, economics, or data analytics is ideal for you. Step 2 is to develop analytical and problem-solving skills. Learn data-driven decision-making, market research, and consulting strategies. Super important. Step 3 is to master business tools. Gain proficiency in Excel, Tableau, SQL, and AI-powered analytics software. Step 4, get certified and gain experience. Certification like Certified Business Analyst Professional or Project Management Professional can boost your career for sure. So follow these steps and you can do amazingly well in this career. Okay, now the next career on my list is supply chain and logistic managers. Now, have you ever wondered how Amazon delivers packages within 24 hours? Or even better, Blinkit delivers in just 8 minutes? Or how your favorite products arrive from factories on the other side of the world? That's all thanks to supply chain and logistics managers, the people who keep global business running smoothly. Now, the pandemic exposed major weaknesses in global supply chains, leading to massive delays, product shortages, and skyrocketing costs. Now, companies are desperately looking for supply chain experts to prevent these problems in future. This is why this career is in huge demand this year and even in coming years also. But you may wonder, why is supply chain and logistic management in high demand? Well, listen to this. Supply chain management isn't just about moving goods from one place to another. It's about optimizing. What's the word? Optimizing. Then strategize and using AI-driven logistics to make deliveries faster, cheaper, and more efficient. And there's an interesting reasons why this career is booming. As per Deloitte, 90% of global trade depends on supply chains, meaning every major company rely on supply chain managers. Now, the pandemic disrupted supply chains worldwide, creating billions in losses for companies, leading to demand for smarter, crisis-proof logistics. AI, automation, and robotics are transforming warehouses and delivery systems, making logistics an increasingly tech-driven industry. Now, with e-commerce booming and global trade expanding, companies can't afford to have weak supply chain, and they need experts to make sure they run everything efficiently. So, next question is, what exactly do supply chain and logistic managers do? Now, their job is to ensure that products move smoothly from manufacturers to consumers without delay or extra cost. Let's look at real-world applications. First is faster e-commerce deliveries. Now, companies like Amazon, Walmart, and Alibaba rely on highly optimized supply chains to offer same-day or next-day delivery. An example for you, like Amazon's AI-driven logistics network can predict demand, stock product in the right location, and deliver items in record time. Yes, that's happening in real time. Second is efficient warehouse and inventory management. Now, modern supply chain use AI, robotics, and real-time tracking to optimize warehouse operations. Example, Tesla's supply chain model uses just-in-time inventory management to reduce storage costs and increase efficiency. Third application is cost-effective global trade. Global companies like Nike, Apple, and Toyota, they need logistic managers to navigate tariffs, trade negotiations, and shipping challenges. Example, Apple's global supply chain uses iPhone manufactured in China, now in India, and to optimize the maximum efficiency. Without efficient supply chains, businesses would lose millions in delays or even billions, wasted products and unnecessary costs. That's why logistic experts are in such a high demand. Now, if you love problem solving, logistics, and global business, here's how you can break into this fast growing industry. Again, everything step by step for you. Number one, as always, get the right education. A degree in supply chain management, business administration, or industrial engineering is ideal. Step two, learn supply chain technology, like master AI-driven logistics platforms like ERP software and inventory tracking tools. Step three, gain practical experience. Intern or work at e-commerce companies or even quick commerce, global trade firms, or logistic providers. Step 4, again, get certified. Certification like Certified Supply Chain Professional or Lean Six Sigma boost credibility for sure. So make sure you follow this. Moving on to my next career in business and commerce field is sustainability and ESG consultant. So what if I told you that sustainability isn't just about saving the planet? Yes, it's also one of the most lucrative and in-demand careers in business. Surprised? Hear this out. With governments and corporations making sustainability a top priority, businesses need experts who can help them go green, stay profitable, and meet global regulations. That's where sustainability and ESG consultants come in. One of the fastest growing careers in 2025. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance, just in case you're wondering. Let's understand this better. Why is sustainability and ESG consulting in high demand? Sustainability is no longer just a marketing buzzword. It's now a business requirement. Investors, consumers, and governments are all demanding that companies prioritize environmental, social, and governance practices, that is ESG. Sustainability and ESG policies are now mandatory for major corporations, impacting hiring, operations, and even investments. As per McKinsey, hear this out. 80% of Fortune 500 companies have pledged to achieve net zero carbon emissions, creating huge demand for sustainability consultants. Companies that fail to meet ESG standards face hefty fines, legal action, and reputational damage. From reducing carbon footprints to ethical business practices, sustainability consultants help companies navigate complex regulations to make real impact. So, what exactly do sustainability and ESG consultants do? In simple words for you. Their job is to help companies become more eco-friendly, socially responsible, and legally compliant. Now, here are some responsibilities for you to understand this role. First is helping companies reduce carbon emissions. Now, consultants, they guide businesses on how to cut emissions, adopt clean energy, and offset their carbon footprints. Here's an example for you. Google is already carbon neutral and aims to run entirely on carbon-free energy by 2030. Which is huge. Second responsibility is optimizing energy and waste management. Yes. Now, they help companies use energy more efficiently, reduce waste, and lower operating costs. Example, Unilever saved $1 billion by adopting sustainable sourcing and waste reduction strategies. Yeah. Number 3, improving brand reputation and attracting investors. Big one. Companies with strong ESG practices attract more customers, investors, and business partnerships. Here's an example for you. Tesla's commitment to sustainability makes it top choice for investors in green energy and electric vehicles also. Now, companies that embrace sustainability not only help the planet, but also gain a competitive edge in today's business world. So that's very important. Now, next question, obviously, how to get started in sustainability and ESG consulting. Now, if you're passionate about business and sustainability, here's how you can start a career as sustainability and ESG consultant. Step number 1, get the right education. A degree in environmental science, business sustainability, or corporate is ideal. So, business degree, or environmental. Step 2, learn ESG standards and regulation. Study frameworks like Global Reporting Initiative, Carbon Disclosure Project, and SEC ESG disclosures. Step 3, gain certification. Get certified in LEED, LEED, which is Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, or certified ESG analyst. Step 4 is to get practical experience. Work with consulting firms, sustainability startups, or corporate ESG teams. Super important. Okay, so this was part 2 of this series where I discovered 3 more careers under business degree, and stay tuned for part 3. Now, everything that I'm bringing you in these videos are like literally gold and diamond. I have done amazing research, divided them into different categories, and I'm giving you everything that future can offer you. So make sure to like this video, share this with someone who's interested in business field, and watch out for part 3. I'll see you there.